Hello my friends, Stephanie Barnard with the Stamps of Life, and I'm so excited to share this video with you because it is time. It is time, it is time, it is time. It is Kit Club time. Now I love Kit Club time because I get to see all of my hard work and my entire team. It's not just me, the entire team's work on putting this whole kit together, and it's really exciting. So I finally get to see the end result. Are you ready? Okay, let's see. Now, of course, you do get your handy-dandy storage envelope, which we all love, right? It's always nice to have your cardstock, projects in it, your larger dies in it. You name it, you can put it in there, right? Lots of yummy colors. Look at how beautiful this entire palette is going to be. Isn't this fantastic? I absolutely love all of these colors. And the nice thing is it's all our color palette, which is really nice because you know all of the colors are going to go together and everything is going to match. And of course, yes, you do get your 4 white powdered sugars. Of course, of course, of course. Now, let's jump in and look at, so now I have all my pretty colors, and I am going to use my crafter's workstation so I don't have to worry about keeping my table clean. Now, you do get your cute little postcard that shows you all the ideas, which is awesome. Oh, you are getting a freebie this month, my friends. Now, if you're in the Die Hard Club, you got a freebie that had a heart with the numbers 2022. Well, this one is a little different than that, and you're going to love it. You're going to love it. I'm just saying. Okay, now let's look at our pattern paper pad, because you know me, I love to look at the pattern paper pad. So here we have the See You Soon collection. We're going to open this up. Now, as you know, it's going to coordinate with our Die Hard and Stamp Set, the typewriter to stamp. So it's going to coordinate with that. So here we go. We have our cute little typewriters, and I color all those in for you. Then we have the fun word search over here. Then we have the fun, these cute little squares from like the keys. Oh, look how cute this is. We have our fun typewriter with some big circles that you can cut out with your dies. Just a note, thank you, hello there, hi, thank you, thank you. See you soon, see you soon, see you soon, see you soon. Oh, some fun dots. Some cute mini typewriters, mini squares, mini see you soon, see you soon, see you soon. Ooh, some fun striped loopies. Ooh, I love that one. It's got a lot of darker colors in it. I like that. Then, oh, we have some cute little brighter colors on this one. Ooh, and look at this black. I don't usually point out the backs very often, but look at how gorgeous that word search looks on there. I love that. The fun little dots, and then we're going to start all over because you get 2 sheets of each one. I absolutely love that. Now, oh, and Gold Club members, don't forget, you're able to order extra pads. I know, isn't that awesome? And if we have any extra embellishments left over, you're able to grab some of those as well. Only my Gold Club members. Okay, here we go. Are you ready? Are you ready? A1 size card base. Can you believe we do that? I cannot believe we do that. We make less money, but who cares, right? It's more fun for us. Look at this. You are getting a fun card die set that has, it's a step up. It's the center step up. Look at this. It's A1 in size, meaning mini card die. And look at that. You're getting the layery dies. You're getting some fun flowers, some centers for the flowers. Lots and lots of fun on that. And we even got our act together. Now you have a nice backing card with that, which is nice, right? Now, let's see what else. Oh, you're getting the words see you soon, which are really fun because, you know, sometimes you just need things to say stuff. And it coordinates with the type from our typewriter, which is fun. Ooh, oh, I hadn't even seen these yet. Black star stickers. Isn't that fun? Black star stickers. Like, who would have thought, right? But how fun is that? Then you're getting, oh, look at these gorgeous rhinestones. That is enough gorgeous rhinestones to last you a little while, which is very, very nice, isn't it? Love that. Then, oh, don't forget, you're always getting your handy-dandy envelopes, you know. Kind of boring, but a necessity. Am I right? A necessity. Then you're getting, oh my goodness, 2 ribbons. Look at how gorgeous. A razzleberry ribbon and a black stitched ribbon, which is really, really fun. And last but not least, you are getting some fun puffy stickers. They say hello, And they also say happy birthday, hello, hi, and you are my favorite person. Yay! Okay, now let me show you the samples. Let's show you the samples. Here we go. Here's a cute one that says happy birthday, see you soon. Love it. Love it with those cute little puppy stars on there. Here's using the A1 card die that comes in the kit, which is gorgeous. Everything you see here comes in the kit. Is that amazing or what? Oh, but look how cute. You can even decorate a mini A1 envelope because yes, we do now offer an A1 envelope on our website now. Cute little tag for you with some fun little puppy stickers on it. Oh, look how gorgeous this is. Hello with some puppy star stickers. Here's a cute one using one of our scalloped card bases. You are my favorite person with that fun typewriter on there that says hi. Awesome. Isn't that awesome? Now, if you're not in the kit club, you're going to miss out on the second part of the video because I'm actually going to create 2 cards start to finish. Now, if you are in the card kit video, I'm sorry, if you are in the card kit, stay tuned because the rest of the video is coming on up. I'll be right back. Bye-bye.